everyone, hope everyone okay. I'm going to show you how to make chicken liver and chicken heart. I've got half a kg mix chicken liver and chicken heart. So I wash them properly and I cut them heart like this, and this is half a kg chicken liver and chicken heart. So it's very easy and simple. All we need two tomatoes, and this is a few cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger and 3 green chilies and bunch of fresh coriander, and I've got 1 onion here. I turn the flame on, and this is quick recipe. So I'm going to use 4 tablespoon oil, any oil, vegetable, any oil. So we need cumin seed and 1 teaspoon fenugreek leaf, 1 teaspoon crushed chilies, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon garam masala, and 1 tablespoon chili powder. So all this is we need, and it's very easy and quick recipe. So some people, they don't like chicken liver, but it's really good and healthy. It's rich of iron. So personally I really like this chicken liver and chicken heart. So it's very delicious, and it's famous as well in restaurant. This is chicken kaleji, and while our onion is getting brown, when it's light brown, then we're gonna add garlic and ginger. Then we're gonna add all spices as well. It's very quick and easy. So I'm sure you like it when you try this. So make sure subscribe my channel and share this video with your family and friends. In this stage, I'm going to add garlic and ginger first, and green chili as well. Green chili, garlic and ginger. Now I'm going to add this cumin seed, teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and this fenugreek leaf. If you don't have, this is optional, you don't use this is good. You can use fresh as well if you want to. Smell really nice. So in few seconds I'm going to add all spices. This is chili powder, and this is teaspoon chili flake, and this is garam masala, 1 tablespoon, and salt, 1 tablespoon as well. I'm going to add tomatoes now. With this tomato, I'm going to add chicken liver straight away. I'm gonna add chicken heart first and then chicken liver in a few minutes. First chicken heart and then chicken liver. Chicken heart first and then now chicken liver. You can cut them in a small pieces or you can leave the big size. Heart meat is little bit hard, so I add first heart, chicken heart and then chicken liver, kaleji. So I'm gonna leave this for 5 to 7 minutes, full flame. So then it's gonna be ready. Then we serve with the freshly homemade naan. So I'm gonna cover this for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, these are ready. They are perfect and delicious. So this time I'm going to add fresh coriander. In 10 minutes, your chicken liver kaleji is ready to serve. Now it's time for serve. So I'm going to serve in this small kadahi. You see, it's really fresh and nice. And this is homemade fresh naan. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope